Did you know that 70% of small businesses use Facebook to make money? Here's how you can too. First, create a Facebook page for your business. This is your online storefront. Make sure to fill out all your business details and add a catchy profile picture. Next, post engaging content. Share behind-the-scenes looks, customer testimonials, or even quick tips related to your industry. The more you engage, the more followers you'll attract. Third, try Facebook ads. They're super effective and can target specific groups of people. Start small, see what works, and adjust your strategy as you go. Don't forget Facebook Marketplace. It's a great place to sell products directly to local buyers. List your items, add clear photos, and set a fair price. Lastly, join and participate in Facebook groups related to your niche. These communities are gold mines for networking and finding new customers. So, there you have it. With these steps, you can start turning those likes into dollars. Happy earning!